Hey John, it's real easy. So basically all you have to do is go to MyJevco and then you'll log in to ESS. And then once you're in ESS, you will have a tab that says Software Evaluation. Click on that and then you'll log in using your AD credentials. So the same thing you use for your Outlook is what you will log in with. And then make sure you click End User. Okay, so log in with your AD credentials and then click End User. Once you log in, it'll give you options like this. You'll create a software request, okay, and you'll just go through and fill this out. So you'll say new software, you'll put team builder here. You'll need to do a little bit of digging to find out who makes the software. So this is just the developer. Give us the website, and then you want to make sure that you put above 3,500. If you don't put that, the system will just kick it out and we'll have to start all over. So even though the cost is not above 3,500, go ahead and click that. Purpose of the tool, you'll have to create a contact here. It'll be a new contact. Once you open that, you'll be allowed to enter all that information, create main contact, and then you'll save and continue. It's going to take you to a series of questions. They're very easy questions. You can answer them. It's just like, does this have educational value? Is your principal aware that you're using this? And then you'll just save and you'll submit again. So it's real easy to do. Go ahead and try it and just email me any questions that you have. Sorry about all the disruptions, not claiming that this is a professional video, but I'm here for you. But I think you can figure it out. So go ahead and send that in and then we'll get the process started. It has to go, anything with like student health data or curriculum always have to go through the enhanced process. So go ahead and try and then let me know what questions you have. All right, have a great day.